So we say ilman saddeet kabdi.
Ilman?
Saddeet kabdi.
Ilman, we say ilmo, and that's children. Sidet, I think that's you mean sidet 8. Qabtit, catch it or you have.
Yeah,
It can be both.
Yeah.
Half, okay. So she has or he have 8 children.
Yeah, you are right. Yeah.
Wow. From now on, I'm Oromo.
You're pure Oromo. We will.
Welcome back to Naji Show. Caawa waa Naji Show iyo isbarbardhigga luqadda Soomaaliga iyo luqadda Oromada. Af Soomaali iyo Afaan Oromo. Caawa waxaa marti noo ah Kutube oo ah gabar Oromo ah. Waa YouTuber, linkeeda hoosaan soo dhigaynaa. Instagramkeeda iyo YouTubekeeda. Aadaan ugu helaa YouTubekeeda waxay samaysaa isbarbardhigga similarity between Somali and Oromo iyo luqadaha kaleentaba. Waa gabar aad u fiican. Please follow gareeya. Welcome to Naji Show, Kutube.
Thank you very much for having me. It's a pleasure.
You're welcome. You're welcome. And your name is Kutube. What does it mean? Can you tell us?
It means something beautiful in my language.
Okay, beautiful. In Somali, it's like a book or kitab. So it's a little bit different, but I know in your language it means beautiful.
Yeah.
And that's very good. Yes. Okay, and we want to do similarity between Somali and Oromo. You have done it before. You have a YouTube. I like your YouTube. I watch it. Many videos you do in Somali music videos reaction and similarity between other Cushitic languages like Somali, Afar, and Oromo. So we're gonna start. Can you tell us how do you say in Oromo the numbers?
Okay. So I will count 1 to 10. So 1 we
Yes.
say Tokko. 2 we
Tokko.
say lama.
Lama,
3 we say sadi.
Sedi,
4 we say afur.
Afar, okay. Afur or Afar?
Yeah, afur.
Afur, okay, little bit similar.
Yeah. And then 5 we say shan.
Shan, okay, it's the same.
Yeah.
And 6,
6 we say jaha.
Gaha,
Yeah, jaha.
Jaha, okay.
Yeah.
No, we don't have that.
Yeah.
And 7?
It's different. We say torba.
Torba is a little bit similar. We say Todobo. And 8?
And we say saddet.
Sidet, we say Sidet. And 9?
We say sagal.
Sagal, same. We say Sagal. And 10?
And then we say khudan.
Quran.
Yeah, khudan.
Oh, Quran is 10.
Yeah, 10.
I thought Toban. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Little bit similar.
Yeah,
Wow, that is
yeah.
Shan, Afar, Labo. That's Somali.
Yeah, saddet, sagal.
You have the. Yes. And do you have any word in Oromo?
Yeah, so there is what we say roba.
Roba. Okay, let me guess that.
Okay.
Roba. We say rope.
Mm-hmm.
That is rain.
Rain, yeah, you're right.
Rain. Yeah, rain. Okay. Okay. I have a word for you.
Okay.
And shimbir.
Okay, we say shimbira. Bad.
Shimbira.
Yeah.
Okay, bird. Yes. Shimbira. Okay.
Yeah.
And how do you say mother or mom?
Oh, we say ayo.
Ayo. Okay.
Yeah.
Mom we say hoyo. Most commonly used is hoyo.
Yeah.
But in South Somalia, ayo is auntie, the sister of your mom. So that's ayo.
Yeah.
But we have mild dialect in South Somalia, in Bay and Bakol region. They say I, the mom. So ayo. It's not that far. It's almost
very
similar.
close.
It's almost
Yeah.
similar.
Yeah.
It's almost similar. But in South Somalia, ayo is a auntie. So the sister of your mom. So it's not that. It's almost similar.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any word? Another word?
Yeah, I do. Maka.
Maka. And that is maga'a.
Okay. Yeah, you're right.
Name.
Yeah.
Your name. Or name, yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Almost similar, yes.
Yeah.
Almost similar. How do you say, I have a word that is eek.
Oh, we say egg. Means
Eek.
blood.
Hmm?
Yeah, we
blood,
say-
yes.
yeah.
Blood, yes. Yeah, almost similar. Well, I think if I go to Oromo region, I can easily communicate
Learn.
with people,
Yeah,
I think.
true. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's easy to learn.
because you will
both
understand
languages.
many words from them.
Yeah.
That's so easy. Okay, because Somali and Oromo is from the same language group, Cushitic, I think.
Yeah.
Cushitic, yes. Somali, Oromo, Afar, and Rendile.
Yeah, Rendile and
Rendile. Soha in Eritrea also, Soha.
Yeah.
Or Saha.
Beja.
Beja in Sudan.
Yeah.
Sudan. Yeah.
Sidama.
Mostly in East Africa.
Yeah.
Huh?
Sidama also. There's
Yeah.
also a tribe. called
Tigama, okay. Yes.
Yeah.
And okay, do you have any word?
Yeah, I do. Anan.
Anan. Okay, I think because you guys you don't have the letter A. We say ano. That's milk.
Milk. Yeah.
Milk ano. Yeah. It's a little bit different, but I think that because you don't have the sound A. We say ano. And you guys anan or ano ana.
Anan.
How-
Yeah, we say anan.
Anan. Okay. Anan. Okay. It's milk. Yes. How do you say camel?
Camel, we say camel. I know
Camel.
I'm forgetting.
We say gale
Oh, we say gal.
or gal.
Sorry, yeah, we say gala.
Okay, gal. In the my language, they say gal.
Yeah.
Also, in old Somali, it used to be a gal because you will say they used to say gal,
Yeah.
but gal became non-Muslim, so they don't want to associate gal with gal, so they change it to gal. But in South Somalia, still people say gal, especially in my dialect.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is it. And I think okay. How do you say the hyena?
Hi, now we say warabesa.
Warabe. That's Somali. We say warabe.
Warabe. Yeah. And
Wow.
we say warabesa.
Okay. And the lion?
We say lench.
Length.
Lencha.
We say libah. It's different.
Okay, yeah, that's
Libah. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Do you have another word?
Yeah, I do. The word gari.
Gari. Okay, gari has two meaning. Gari, we say car is gari, but that I think we borrowed from Indian language, Hindi, I think. But original Somali gari, this girl is gari. That means that's good girl,
Yeah.
or yes, this is something good thing. So it means good.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah,
The same?
it's right. Yeah. So the
Wow.
second one.
How do you say
But-
car then in your language? Car.
So I think people back home they say makina.
Macchina, that's Italian.
Yeah.
That's
But
Italian,
I grew
yes.
up in
We say
Kenya. So I
Huh?
say gari. Like, I grew up in Kenya. I think in Swahili they say gari.
gari. I think it's
So I use
the
gari.
but we
Yeah.
say also babur.
Oh, babur. Oh, babura in Afaan Oromo it means train.
Train.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Babur in Somali is car. Also in Yemen, I think Aden and south region is they say in southern Yemen they say babur. Don.
Doni, boat.
Doni. Okay, boat. Yes. Doni. Sometimes we say doni. Don. Yeah. Almost the same.
Yeah, it's
Almost same.
Yeah. Should I give you a sentence before I say another word?
Sentence. Okay, give me
Okay, let me
sentence.
give you a sentence.
So then you want me to guess the sentence?
Yeah. So in the sentence,
Okay,
there is
okay.
a word that is similar to
Okay.
Somali. I want you to guess it. So we say ilman saddet kabdi.
Ilman.
Saddet kabdi.
Ilman we say ilmo, and that's children. Sidet, I think that you mean sidet 8. Qabtit, catch it or you have.
Yeah,
It can be both.
Yeah.
Half, okay. So she has or he have 8 children.
Yeah, you are right. Yeah.
Wow. From now on, I'm Oromo.
You're pure Oromo. We will give you the passport.
Yes.
Welcome.
Ilmo. So children is Ilmo in Oromo, Afaan Oromo.
Yeah, so we say ilman. Some people say
Ilman.
Yeah.
Okay, Ilman.
Ilman,
So we say Ilmo.
Yeah.
Ilmo.
I think it is one you
okay.
say ilma, but it is many.
We say also Arur. We say also Arur.
Arur, okay.
Do you have another sentence?
Yeah, I do actually. So another one, anan mekan gulgulta. Anan mekan
Okay.
gulgulta. It's a question.
How much is this milk?
Yeah, you're right. Like, how much do you sell it for?
How much you sell it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So meka is
Gurgurta is when you negotiation someone you wanna buy from them is gurguris. We say gurguris.
Yeah. So I think
It's in the selling process, but it's different.
Okay. Yeah, it's kind of similar. Yeah. Gurgurta in Oromo means
Yeah.
selling.
Selling. Okay. Gurguris is when you negotiation when someone bids you say I want to sell this one 100 and you offer them 80 or 70, that means gurguris.
Okay.
That process is gurguris.
Yeah, of negotiating.
So but I understood what you meant.
Yeah. Interesting. I didn't
Okay.
even know that. Yeah.
Yeah. Dhagax.
Oh, stone. Aga.
Stone. Okay. Yes. How do you say dhagax?
Yeah.
Because you don't have the ha sound in it.
And also
You
for
don't.
me, I
Okay.
like I stammer, so sometimes I don't pronounce the word right.
Okay. Dhagax. Okay. Yeah. How do you say madah?
Mada. Oh, head.
Head. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, we say mata.
How do you say in Afaan Oromo?
Mata.
Mata.
Yeah.
Okay. We say madah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Please. Okay.
Alatte.
Say again.
Alatte.
I left it. I can't hear it.
The way I'm pronouncing it and the way it is written, it's totally different. So if I was to pronounce it the way it is written, but that's not how it's pronounced, so adalatte, but alatte.
Arakte.
Yeah, let me like.
Is it seen? Or see?
No, that one is adge, adgine.
Okay. I don't know this.
Okay, it means to be born. Born.
Dalate.
Yeah.
Right. Dalasho, dalate. Yeah. I couldn't hear clearly what you're saying.
Yeah.
Dalate, yes. Dalate, born.
Yeah.
Dalasho, iyo ku dhalatay, we say also. Yes.
Yeah.
Born, yes. You're right.
Yeah.
Yes. For example, we say, maanta waa maalintii dhalashadeeda ama way dhalatay, gabar baa u dhalatay.
Okay, she was born here.
And biyo?
Biyo, we say bishan.
Bishan, okay.
Water, right?
Yeah, and we have some dialect in Marka city. They have some dialect called Madont dialect of Markani dialect. They say Bishan. Yeah, similar to Oromo. They say Bishan, but most commonly used is Bio. And thank you, Kutube. It was fun and nice to have you.
Yeah.
I enjoyed and I learned many things.
Same. Thank you for
It's
having
clearly
me.
we have many similarity between Somali and Oromo.
Yeah.
So I wish we gonna do more videos together.
Yeah. Hopefully, yeah, we will do more. Finger crossed. Thank you for also
Thank you, and I
having me
like your
as well.
YouTube channel. And do you understand a little bit Somali, or you speak Somali?
A little bit, few words. Like I
Little
know
bit.
because my friends were Somalis back in Kenya, so I know like Kali, Walia,
Okay.
Maharabda,
Kale.
Fadiso.
Fadiso.
Yeah,
That's
Unto.
nice. That's nice.
Aniga wakudula.
Unto, yes.
Aniga wakudila. Wakika with the
Wakudila.
like yeah, aniga wakudila wari ha Maharabda. Atika dokon wai. So I know those words.
intaas waxaa nooga eg barnaamijka Naji Show aan kusoo qadanayna caawa isbarbardhigga luqadda Oromada iyo Soomaaliga iyo af Soomaaliga. Waa mahadsantiin. Naji Show idin leh. Ciao.